So I do technical sales support. So that means that I get to work with the sales team, talking to prospective customers and helping them to assess the SuperTrak product and whether it's the right product for any application they may have today or applications on the horizon. I've been working with the SuperTrak team for 9 years now. Before I started on the SuperTrak team, I was working as an electrician, and then I transitioned into product support role where I gained a very in-depth technical expertise on the SuperTrak product. A few years ago, I saw an opportunity to do technical sales support, and given my expertise on the product and my love to work with customers, I thought it would be a good role for me. When it comes to automation, the conveyance platform is really the foundation of an automation system because it's what carries product around from station to station. So I help customers by educating them not only on what the SuperTrak product is and how it works, but also on how all the integrated functionality of the product can help to optimize their application as well as ease their design and integration efforts. So a big part of that is doing simulation. For a simulation, we collect some basic information about the process flow from the customer, and we're able to put together a simulation to have a representation of what that process flow would look like. The excitement of working with people that are considering using the SuperTrak product to help them in solving their complex problems. And a big part of that is engaging in dialogue with the customers and seeing how they approach their different problems. So one place I think that I need to visit is Iceland, because I've heard a lot of really cool things about Iceland, and I think that it has a lot of natural beauty and just the way of life there, it really intrigues me. So that's definitely somewhere that I need to go one day.